Yeah. Alarm went off and she almost stayed, but she got up anyway today. Filled her water bottle to the top, told herself quietly, don't stop. Took a walk while the sun came through, made her breakfast that actually nourished too. And nobody clapped, nobody saw, but those little choices mattered after all. Because healing don't always look dramatic, sometimes it's consistency automatic. Tiny promises you finally keep, that slowly rebuild your self-esteem deeply. And every day she show up again, she becoming stronger within. Not perfect, not finished, but committed differently now. And that alone powerful somehow. She showed up for herself today, and baby, that's worth celebrating. Every healthy choice she made, building the life she been creating. She showed up for herself today, one step closer, one breath stronger. And every time she chooses herself, her spirit shining a little longer. She showed up for herself today, yeah. Look at her go now. Yeah. Now movement feel like medicine, not punishment, she forcing in. Now healthy meals feel comforting, not restriction, wrapped in suffering. And she stopped speaking hopelessly, stopped saying I'll never change repeatedly. Because slowly she started proving consistency can transform everything. Better sleep, clearer mind, more energy showing over time. Not because she chased perfection fast, but because she built habits built to last. That's the glow nobody can fake, the kind built from daily faith. And every tiny choice repeated, keep reshaping her identity deeply. That's how real change happens naturally. She showed up for herself today, and honestly, that's the victory. Not just the weight, not just appearance, but the love growing internally. She showed up for herself today, mind healing, body healing too. And the woman she once dreamed about, starting to finally come into view.
Transformation is not one big moment. It's water, sleep, movement, consistency, compassion.
Again and again and again, that's how you change your life. Showed up for herself today, and baby, I'm proud of her. Every walk, every meal, every choice, helping her reconnect to herself deeper. She showed up for herself today, and look how brightly she glowed. Turns out the healthiest version of herself was built through daily love, all alone. Yeah. Keep going, beautiful.